Okay, just doing another video on pulling apart the big bore kit because I wasn't happy with the way the bike vibrated when you were riding it, and I think it had too much compression. So I'll give you a quick rundown on what I've done so far. I've pulled off the old big bore kit and it's just sitting there. This time I went and bought a barbecue mat from Bunnings, like 14 bucks. It's just a bit needed to work on, so I can spill a bit of oil. And over here, I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so this is what I've done. 110 kit, standard, originally fitted to the bike. Out of the box, 130cc big bore kit, domed piston, high comp, heavy piston. Same kit, purchased, machined piston to a flat top, you can see there. And I've taken some weight out of the back of it here. Alright, so standard piston, 66.83 grams. Big bore kit piston out of the box, 95.1 grams. Modified, 78.92 grams. I don't want to get too more carried away, taking too much weight out of it. Standard gudgeon pin, 20.49 grams. Big bore kit gudgeon pin, 23.24 grams. So what I'm doing is I'm running this combo. So modified piston and standard 110 gudgeon pin. Should start a lot easier on the factory starter motor, not as high comp. If you compare these two here, you'll see what I mean. So that should take a fair bit of comp out of it. So I'm going to throw it all back together and see how it goes. So valve adjustment's done. It's got to be done cold. You're not going to get much colder than the head being off the bike. 7 to 0.1, and I just used the genuine Honda tool and a 9mm spanner. Why they went 9mm, I've got no idea. It's stupid. It should be 8 or 10. New valve stem seals are fitted. I'm just going to clean the surface up here with a razor blade and a bit of Scotch-Brite, and then refit it. This will help. Alright, take two. Got the keys. So now we'll start it. I want to kickstart it. Oh. Nice. That's a bit better. Compression's not crazy. You can actually kick it over without breaking the ankle. I like it. Smoother. Cool.